Hey America, Mark Kelson here today, beautiful Junction City, Oregon, Guaranty RV to present to you this excellent Bay Star by Newmar. It's a good way to go out and make memories with your family, have some fun. Come on in, let's look at it. Beautiful layout in here. Nice wood plank flooring, easily cleaned up. You have the dinette over here with the chairs. Two more chairs in the back. Nice countertop with the TV right here, so that when you're sitting over here, you're at a good angle to see it. This is one of the fold and tumble beds. Comes out extremely easily like that. Folds down into a bed in about 10 seconds. Coming back here, beautiful Corian countertop. Dual stainless steel sink with that Moen faucet. Three-burner stovetop. Tons of drawers underneath there. Convection microwave. Nice mitered quarter cabinets. This is a great floor plan. You have the refrigerator right here. A little area of pantry right there. Across from it, we have the bathroom with the corner shower. Nice lighting. Skylight in there. That's excellent. This is one of the shorter coaches that features a king bed. So you get the 72 by 80 bed in here. You got the side windows for ventilation, for viewing. Also back here, you have a rear window. Look out over the ocean, the mountains, wherever you're at when you're out making memories with your family. On this side, you're laying down. You got the TV. You do have the exit window in case of an emergency. Two really nice wardrobes. Banks of drawers and a bi-level down here. This is an exquisite little coach, 31 feet. Let's go up front and see what it has to offer. So up here in the front, hidden up in the top here, is a little bed for an extra guest if you're not got enough with the couch and the bed back there. Up here in the cockpit, you're on a Ford chassis, 320 horsepower, V10. You do have levelers on this coach, cruise control, everything at the touch of a button. This is really nice. You do have the backup camera, side cameras, entertainment center here, the automatic blind up front. It's a really nice coach. Also, I wanted to show you one other thing. I neglected to show you this. A little area for the co-pilot to navigate or have a snack. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer outside. This is nice. You're not going to fall down when you go down here. So this coach will feature full body paint. You do have a little TV out here. You got the frameless windows. This is a great coach. Look at this. You got alloy wheels on this. You got the 22.5 tires. You have the side cameras right there illuminating the side. The awning is automatic, touch of a button. This is awesome. We do have storage here, side hinged baggage doors. It's really nice. You can get under there easily. Right here in the middle, you do have a little bit of area right there. You have a water tank that's easily accessible in case of emergency. $5,500 Onan generator in this. All your power needs. And then you have a pass-through storage area right here for those long items. Coming to the back, that nice window. You have your camera up there. You have your tow hitch right here, 5,000 pound capacity. Coming around to the side, this will feature a 50 amp service. You got a surge guard in there, automatic transfer switch. More storage. Your water bay. Outside shower. Your water pump switch back here. And again, storage. So you're at no lack for storage in this coach. Storage. This is a great coach. Look at this. More storage. And then you're going to have a propane tank right there. But I'll tell you, this is one of the most sought after units. Very short, 31 foot. Bay Star 2018 model. If you want to go make some memories with your family, this is a good vessel to do it in. Why don't you give me a call, Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching today.